Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to remove a drop-down in Google Sheets. First, click and drag to select the range of cells that contains the drop-down. Press backspace in your keyboard to remove the option selected for each drop-down. Press backspace in your keyboard again to remove the drop-down completely. If you cannot highlight all the cells with drop-downs which may occur in large spreadsheets, you can click Data on the top menu, then select Data Validation. A sidebar on the right will open which will show all the rules applied in your workbook. Hover over the drop-down rule you want to remove, and the trash bin icon will appear on the right. Click this to remove the rule. The drop-down will now be cleared from the range of cells. So, that is how you remove a drop-down in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.